Hi everyone, today I will share Canva Typography to create 3D text effect for t-shirt design. Go to Canva, choose print, choose flyer, click to the background and then click color background and click black, change it to black, okay. And then go to element, type here cube, enter, and then I will choose this one. And then I will flip it vertical and increase the size. I will place it here. Now go to apps, type text, enter, choose text maker. So I have quote here. I will copy the first line, copy, and then I will choose simple outline for now. And then I will paste it here, the quote, and separate it into 3 lines. I will change the font to Anton. You can choose your own font and click this one. And then I will make it right alignment. And then I will remove the outline. So I will go here, click this one and click outline. And then disable it. And then add to design. Add to design again. Okay. Now I will copy the second line. Back. Then back again. And I will paste it here. And then I will change the alignment to left. Scroll down. Customize color. Choose fill color. I will change it to orange. Scroll down and remove all these colors but to the top. And then click here. And then I will choose this orange and I will select this hex code and copy. And then select this one and paste it here. Now scroll down and add to design. Add to design. All right. And then the third line, copy, back, and back again and paste it here. I will separate it into 4 lines. Okay. And then scroll down to change the color to blue. Copy. Paste it here. And then add to design. Add to design. All right. Now I will drag a line here. If your Canva not showing this ruler, just go to File, Setting, and Show Ruler and Guide. And then drag from here to here. It is about in the middle of this line. And also once again to here. Okay, and then select the first sentence. And go to Apps. And then type here Reshape. Enter. Choose this icon. Now rotate it. I will make it so this line have to be the same line with this. Now let's see. And then I will move it here. Now click distort and then move it here and move down here. And this one also here. And this one here. I will move it down here. So the most important is this line and this line. All right, now click save. Now let's work with the second. I will rotate it. I will move it here. And then I will click distort and move it here. And this one here. And this one will be here. So let's zoom it. Okay, now click save. And let's work with the blue. I will rotate it so it has the same degree with this. Let's see. All right. And I will place it here like this. and then just click distort. I will move this node to here. I will move it to here, and this one should be here. This is the correct position. Now click save, and then let's increase the size. This one I will drag it here, and this one I will drag it here. Also this one here. Now remove the cube, and you have it. Now click share, download, and you can choose PNG or PDF for print with transparent background, and then click download. So this is the tutorial. See you next video and have fun with Canva.